Namaskaram. This video for after plus 2, 13 medical courses. Welcome back to World Info channel. I'm Rajesh Tayil. Eligibility criteria for nursing courses. To take admission to a degree course offered by a nursing college, one needs to meet the following eligibility conditions. Candidate must be a citizen of India. Candidate must have passed class 12 or equivalent from a recognized board or institute. Physics, chemistry, and biology in class 12 are must for admission to nursing courses. Some institutions mandate English language in class 12 for admissions. First, number 1, BSc Nursing. There are plenty of reasons to study BSc Nursing. BSc Nursing is one of the most popular nursing courses in India that trains aspirants to practice nursing in different environments. The course is offered by some of the best nursing colleges in India. Students can take up the course for the following advantages. It opens a lot of job opportunities in the healthcare sector. It's a 4-year course recognized by the Indian Nursing Council, which helps in securing jobs in the government sector. Students can secure high-paying jobs in various hospitals. Candidates can also pursue higher studies in MSc Nursing and can also choose a specialization of their interests. Students can also join a postgraduate program in public health management if they do not wish to do master's degree. Number 2, Bachelor of Science Medical Laboratory Technology. Medical laboratory technology is an allied health specialty concerned with the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease through the use of clinical laboratory tests. Number 3, Bachelor of Science, BSc Perfusion Technology. BSc Perfusion Technology or Bachelor of Science in Perfusion Technology is a 3-year course for the students who are undergraduate. Perfusion technology is the study of physiology and the pathology of the lungs and the allied respiratory organs of the human body. The job profiles after BSc Perfusion Technology are the perfusion technologist, pediatric perfusionist, cardiac perfusionist, medical coder, lecturer or teacher, risk manager, cardiac technician, etc. Bachelor of Science Medical Radiology Technology. BSc Medical Radiology Technology is a bachelor level radiography course. Administration of primarily X-rays, radiation in disease diagnosis, and injury assessment are concerned in this course. It is career presenting in nature and provide many job opportunities for the candidates after successful completion. Number 5, Bachelor of Science Optometry. Optometry is a health care profession dealing with eye and vision care. Optometrists are the primary healthcare practitioners whose responsibilities include refraction and dispensing, assisting in detection and management of eye conditions, and the rehabilitation of conditions of the visual system such as X-ray examinations, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scans, and computed tomography CT scans. Number 6, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT. Physiotherapy is a medical treatment that is a combination of injury prevention, rehabilitation, holistic fitness, and sustainable healing. Physio works with a combination of techniques to regain mobility such as exercise and massages. And these techniques are implemented once the diagnosis is finalized. Number 7, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology is 4-year long undergraduate. course that deals with the health support sector, which has a focus on audiology and hearing technology. Number 8, Bachelor of Dialysis Technology. BSc Dialysis is a specialized study of dialysis in the Bachelor of Science stream. It's a 3-year undergraduate course which studies the artificial process of eliminating waste, diffusion, and unwanted water ultrafiltration from the blood. This course is designed to train and produce graduates who are capable of understanding and assisting specialists in the different treatment process. Number 9, Bachelor of Cardiovascular Technology. BCVT is Bachelor of Science in Cardiovascular Technology. After successful completion of BCVT course, you can be allowed to perform non-invasive procedures like echocardiography, treadmill and Holter testing under supervision of cardiologist and assist the cardiologist in cardiac catheterization laboratory. The cardiovascular technologists are also responsible for repairing the patient for open heart surgeries and pacemaker implantation surgeries. The technologists also monitor the patient's cardiac parameters while they undergo the surgery. Number 10, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Bachelor of Occupational Therapy (BOT) degree is an allied health profession associated with the study of subject and therapies for assessment and intervention to maintain the meaningful activities of individuals with any injury or disease. Occupational therapists often work with people with mental health problems, disabilities, injuries, or impairments by providing them support in the form of rehabilitation. BOT degree is an undergraduate program of 4.5 years with 4 years of college coursework and 6 months of field internship experience. Number 11, BSc in Medical Imaging Technology. BSc in Medical Imaging Technology is a branch of medical research and development related to the study of various techniques of capturing images of human body parts for medical as well as research purposes. The course is designed with a diversified plan of study in advanced imaging, MRI and CT, healthcare management, and general knowledge about the discipline. Number 12, Bachelor of Radiotherapy Technology. BSc Radiotherapy is a 3-year undergraduate course that imparts knowledge about radiation therapy to treat cancer and other diseases with ionizing radiation. The main aim of this course is to instill skills and knowledge related to radiotherapy. BSc Radiotherapy trains students into radiotherapy professionals, and there is a huge demand for the same. Number 13, Bachelor of Neurotechnology. BSc Neurophysiology Technology in India is a 3 years long full-time program inclusive of 6 semesters scheduled 6 months each. Neurophysiology deals with physiology and neuroscience, which directly connects with the core study of nervous system functionality. The basic requirement to pursue BSc Neurophysiology Technology is to clear +2 examinations from a recognized education institute with physics, chemistry, and biology as principal subjects of study. Government allotment in Kerala, LBS or SCEE. This is Kerala College of Nursing. District wise, Palakkad district, Thrissur district, Kottayam district, Kollam district, Alappuzha, Pathanamthitta, Ernakulam, Idukki, Kannur, Kasaragod. Beware of fraud nursing colleges. Please check your nursing college affiliation from Indian Nursing Council. Kozhikode, Wayanad, Malappuram, Thiruvananthapuram, for admission related enquiries, contacting Kerala. Nursing courses and eligibility. Thank you for watching our video. Please write your suggestion and comments. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.